Today I'm cooking clay pot eggplants with minced pork, braised and ready in 15 minutes. This is a perfect simple dinner for the family. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with marinating the minced pork. Add half teaspoon of salt over 200 grams of minced pork. Mix and marinate until evenly seasoned. Leave it aside. Next, make the flour slurry. Add 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour to a mixing bowl and pour in 50 ml of water. Mix until the flour has completely dissolved. Cut 650 grams of eggplants into small pieces. Chop off the top part and cut into half vertically. Then cut into small triangle pieces like this. Repeat with the other half and place them all into a bowl filled with water. This slows down the oxidation process and prevents them from becoming darker. Continue with the rest of the eggplant. For today, I am using this type of eggplant. Other type of eggplants can be used as well. And leave aside. Place the clay pot on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium-high and let it heat up for 2 minutes. When it's ready, the clay pot will radiate heat, which can be felt from hovering the palm just above the base. Do not touch it as the clay pot is very hot. Add 50 ml of cooking oil, 50 grams of cut shallots, and leaves from 2 stalks of curry leaves, or about 5 grams. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until very soft and fragrant. After 3 minutes, add the marinated pork. Stir to mix until well combined. Add 35 grams of cut red chili, leaving a bit for garnishing, and 15 grams of cut spring onions, only the white stem. Stir fry for 1 more minute or until the pork is well cooked. This looks good. Time to add all the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Do not touch the clay pot as it's very hot. Next, add all the cut eggplants. Although it looks like it's too much and it's overflowing, once cooked, the eggplants will be softened and reduced in size. By then, the portion will be just perfect for this 9-inch clay pot. Add 30 ml of water. Cover the pot and braise for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the cover. Use the heat-resistant glove or a wet thick towel to protect your hand. See, it is boiling vigorously now. Stir to rotate the eggplants to cook them evenly. The bottom ones are cooked and softened. Perfect. Cover and continue cooking for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, all the eggplants are cooked and soft. Give it a taste. It's perfect. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Next, add all the flour slurry and stir quickly. See, the gravy is quite thick and smooth now. Switch off the heat and cover the pot to retain the heat. It's ready now. Take it off the stove and serve immediately. Sprinkle some cut chilies, cut spring onions, and about 2 tablespoons of crispy fried anchovy, which is optional. Let's eat! Wow, so tasty and very flavorful. The eggplants are soft and very smooth. The minced pork is tender and delicious. There is also a slight salty, umami taste of the dish. This is home cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!